So we've been talking about like a lot of stuff related to the future of a lot of things, and I think it's been over a decade that we've been working together and discussing a lot of things. And now I feel if I compare to the discussions we had like 10 years ago, maybe, is that we probably are now living in that future that we used to talk about. It feels more real, especially after ChatGPT has been launched. How do you see the overall future of communications in the backdrop of AI and automation, when like including the fake news, including misinformation and all of that? So in next 5-6 years, for example, where is this thing going?
इसकी I'll answer this in two parts. ठीक है, एक तो ये है कि like what is the effect on society, which is one part of your question, and what is the effect on the profession. So the effect on society, जैसे अगर हम 10 साल पहले बात करते थे, उसे 15, let's take it back even further, let's take it down to 15 years. जब सोशल मीडिया पहले आया था ना, we always have this view of technology कि ये यूटोपियन होगा, कि ये जो है ना, ये जो हम गंद करते हैं, एक दूसरे से लड़ते हैं, हम selfish behavior of and the myopic world view of human beings, ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा. We just need to connect more. एंड ये एक लिहाज से मुझे याद है जब फेसबुक था और ये था, वो आइडिया था कि सारे लोग जो है ना, द अमेरिकन्स आर सस्पिशियस ऑफ द रशियंस, या वी डोंट लाइक इंडियंस, वी जस्ट गेट टू नो ईच अदर थ्रू दीज मीन्स, जहाँ से बॉर्डर्स आर नो लॉन्गर हार्ड एंड इम्पेनिट्रेबल, कांट बी क्रॉस्ड, चीज़ें बेहतर हो जाएंगी. But as that technology evolved, I mean, it's actually made things worse. We've discovered we don't like each other, that those contentious issues cannot be overcome by these things. So abhi artificial intelligence, we are in one way is different from social media, because social media ka humne is level ka kabhi socha nahi tha when we were younger कि ये भी कोई चीज़ होगा. But thanks to Terminator, we all knew कि AI जब आएगा, हालात शायद बुरे हो जाए. एंड द होल आइडिया ऑफ AI वाज कि ये सेल्फ अवेयर हो जाएगा,
and then it goes out of human control.
जो AI अभी आई है, आई मीन ऑलरेडी पीपल आर इम्प्रेस्ड बाय इट, बट अभी से डर रहे हैं कि इसका बहुत बड़ा इफेक्ट होगा ऑन एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इसमें भी अगर इफ इट स्टार्ट्स बिहेविंग इन स्ट्रेंज वेज, और इसके और भी बेनिफिट्स हैं, बिकॉज AI इज नाउ गोइंग टू बी डेफिनेटली become part of weaponry, like missiles and ये वो. अब ह्यूमन का एक ये फ़ायदा है कि कभी ना कभी ज़मीर जाग जाता है कि यहाँ तो बच्चे हैं, यहाँ वो है, कुछ ना कुछ हेजिटेशन हो जाता है. and AI obviously will just look at the parameters, mission parameters, के do the most damage. Now I think about AI, the problems are somewhat, I think, जो social media है, they've taught us a bit. एक तो ये है कि the power of AI is increasing at rates that we had not conceived of. Like every iteration of ChatGPT, for example, सिर्फ just like a year ago, we played around with it, fun images आ जाते हैं, अब तो पता ही नहीं लगता कि ये है या नहीं है. दूसरा जो है, its ability to write. You see, AI is also a black box. They've trained these models, but they don't know exactly how these models work. So I remember reading about one particular AI which was trained to do a specific function, but somehow over time it learned multiple languages.
Right.
So they couldn't actually work back कि ये इसने कैसे किया. Now this black box phenomena of the AI is one of the troubling parts.
Right.
And जब ChatGPT भी आ रहा था, at some point, like they didn't understand कि यार ये झूठ क्यों भाई बोल रहा है. Right? You type in something, it was making up fake citations, make pieces of research. एक दो lawyers तो खराब भी हो गए हैं इसमें. And so I think there's a need कि इसे regulate करें, because it's very powerful and potentially very useful. लेकिन इसमें dangers जो है, at least social media has taught us, is that we need to have some form of regulation for this. अब जो है, like the impact it will have on professions, for example. Filmmakers पे बहुत बड़ा effect होगा, because I just saw, I forget if it was Delphi or something else, and it's able to make like these 1 minute or half a minute films that are just visually stunning.
By just like the text description that you give about it.
And in some ways, it's incorporating really high levels of creativity.
Right.
I mean, it's obviously, creativity is not something AI understands, but just because we don't understand how it's processing, and because text to idea, usme significant room hai for it to play around, so it's making really interesting things. Ye, again, for graphic designers, for writers. So there is a period of change coming, at least in the communications industry. And I'd argue that in some things it'll be better. It'll do a better job than human beings. Ye hai ki human beings ka kaam khatam bilkul nahi hoga.
Right.
You're going to still need people to vet it. There is still a premium for because AI है, लेकिन एक जो bridge है AI का is to artificial general intelligence. वो अभी तक नहीं आया.
Right. So that's like when we hit singularity. So that's
close to it.
Right.
To singularity. So singularity is being self-aware, being like a life form essentially. और वो भी, I mean, I often think about that because science fiction मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I'm obsessed by it.
Yeah.
And you see, the really interesting thing is that before ये जो सारा ChatGPT and this sort of AI, पहले machine learning था.
Yeah.
You'd feed a lot. अभी भी machine learning है. I mean, that's how it feeds into this. But like वो बहुत simplified model था, तो उसमें you fed in tons of data.
Yeah.
ठीक है, you fed in tons of banking data, for example. And then you could have an automated response for a loan that was coming. And what they discovered is that those, very early AI systems were extremely racist. If there was a black person in a certain address, वो बस direct reject कर देता.
Right.
Now, inherently, though, it's not racist. It doesn't recognize white या black. But what it was कि वो जो data अंदर आ रहा था,
जो उसका training data है, that was also trained by fed by humans who inherently had those biases.
And that's how the system eventually became. So एक तो ये डर है कि ये जो अगर AI becomes sentient, तो it's going to become sentient based on वो जो कमीनापन हम लोग करते हैं.
Yeah.
And उसमें problem ये है कि वो तो फिर that will influence it as well. That data essentially, it's not going to be some very zen-like creature के already self-actualized. वो तो वो होगा. और then I think that again with the development of these systems like recently, to prevent these things, Google has its own AI that it tried. I think it's called Gemini.
Right.
तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि we want to have a more, I don't like this word, but a more woke AI.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि यार, it should have a representative of the world. So now the problem was that it yielded results that were really bad. It wrote, can you get me a picture of, Germany and World War II, ठीक है ना, तो उसमें black people, Asian people भी salute कर रहे हैं to, Hitler. हर चीज़ में historical inaccuracies आ गई है. So there's a lot of difficulty in actually then moving into the system and adding parameters to it that you think will work, but then they have unintended consequences. But I don't know. I think AI is fascinating. I think ये जो artificial general intelligence या sentience या the singularity, I don't understand enough science.
Yeah.
I don't know if that is actually going to come or not. But already जो Turing test है, can you, I'd argue sometimes you see an engagement with ChatGPT or one of these others, it sounds like, बहुत stuffy, बुड्ढा aristocratic अंग्रेज आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
So not truly alive, but close to it. लेकिन, I think that moving forward, इसमें दूसरा मसला ये भी होगा कि AI is now being atomized. I mean, we've been exposed to AI at the level where the AI is in a centralized server like ChatGPT and these others, and but now they're giving generative capabilities जब भी आपके devices में आ जाए.
Right.
That's going to be different. That's going to be a different ball game altogether. And the other thing is that even technology as we know it is going to change. I mean, the one thing, I'm not good at predicting the future. ये सलाहियत मेरी इतनी नहीं है.
I remember even maybe just before ChatGPT came in, we were talking about Alexa,
हाँ.
and I remember asking you this question: "Ke could this somehow in near future become really good?" And I remember you telling ke it cannot give those analysis.
Yeah.
It can just give you simple answers, but not those analysis. And like I think it's been like 2 years now.
हाँ.
कि ChatGPT के बाद से now those things that we used to read or like they feel more real now.
They feel much more
so
real.
The rate at which it's pacing, I think like that's phenomenal.
I guess, I mean, I'm not a science or data guy, लेकिन बस वही ज़रा सा interest है. तो वो यही है कि, you know, with AI and as we move forward, uska, like, you know, the case of, let's say, Alexa, I mean, in some ways they were limited by the vision of the firm itself. Like they had so much, like, usme data issues bhi thi. And that's why partly someone like OpenAI went so far ahead.
Yeah.
Because if I knew कि ये मेरा Alexa device जो है ना मेरी हर बात लिख रहा है और फिर उसे सीख रहा है,
yeah,
I would be fairly कि पता नहीं what are they retaining, मेरे घर में बिल्कुल bug आ गया ये वो. But with OpenAI, I mean, they've gotten ahead, and it's interesting that in one respect that Google was already there. They had their own AI, but they just never released it.
Right.
They wanted to perfect it.
Yeah.
Whereas these guys just went ahead and they had like a bootstrapping thing. It was Niklo seek lenge. So, which is fine for now, but what if the systems are so much more powerful in the future that you'd require a much higher level of responsibility? But going back to my other point is like, you know, I don't know if these systems will ever become truly sentient. Yeah, there will be a singularity. But already at some level, you know, if you're used to like relatively boring and stoic people, so the Turing test can be passed in some ways. They do talk to you like as if they're really, you know, a human being behind the screen.